Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making this popular Nigerian snack. This is called Donkwa. Very delicious, very amazing, and this brings back in nostalgic moments because these go way back in time. Welcome to the Sunshine side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make a donkwa. I'm going to be using groundnuts, tiger nuts, some pepper, ginger, clove, salt, and sugar. Yeah, these are the ingredients. So as we proceed, I'm telling you more about this ingredient. So the first thing to do is to roast your tiger nut. So this tiger nut has been washed, dried, and all the dirt is off from it. So tiger nut is very dirty, so if you're buying this dry tiger nuts, please ensure that you wash it thoroughly and remove all the stones and the dirt from it, and then you just leave it to dry so that the water from it will dry out before you proceed to roasting it. You can also make use of corn. Yes, you can also make use of corn, but I prefer the tiger nut. So you can make use of corn. Use the same process. You wash your corn thoroughly, allow it to dry, and then you roast it until it is brown. So our tiger nut here, I'm just going to roast it for some minutes until it is a bit brown, and that's it. So the first time I had Donkwa, you can call it Donkwa, whichever. So you might be hearing Donkwa in some points of this video, you can be hearing Donkwa at some point of this video. So whichever one, just know that this is what I'm talking about. So the first time I had this, oh my god, I was really amazed. Like, what is this? I just couldn't stop eating it. Donkwa is so addictive. Like, you cannot just eat one, you just want to keep eating, and it's so filling. Like, your whole mouth will be full of it. Like, it is very amazing. So even if you've not tried it before, it's very easy to make. So watch this video and you will learn how to make your own Donkwa. So once you've roasted your tiger nuts, just spread it out in a tray or in a plate, whatever, for it to cool down. Please ensure that it cools down before moving to the next process. So what you want to do is to add this to a grinder, and you're going to grind this until it is smooth. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notification to get notified of when I drop new videos. And to my returning viewers and my subscribers, thanks a lot for stopping around and watching my videos. So once you've blended your tiger nut smoothly, please ensure you blend it smoothly. Then you need to sieve it. You know, tiger nut has that chaff. You need to sieve this. This is very important. If not, your donkwa is going to be very chaffy. And once you sieve this, the next thing you're going to do is to grind your granules. So you can use your food processor to grind your granules at this point. So if you have food processor, you can bring your food processor and grind your granules. But if you have a dry grinder, use a dry grinder. So your granules should be almost like a pasty form. Yes, this is very important because this is what is going to help bind all the ingredients together. So your granules should be a bit pasty, and then once your granules is pasty, add in your sieved tiger nut into this and add all the ingredients. Add in the clove, the ginger, the dry pepper. You can also decide to add nutmeg to it, but I will advise that if you're making use of clove, I will advise that you grind your clove with the tiger nut because the clove is very, very hard to grind. So grind your clove with it so that everything will crush properly. Because I blended mine together, my clove was still you can still find the chunks of it. So if you don't want that, grind your clove with the tiger nut and it becomes very smooth. Because you know, I'm blending it with the granite. The granite is already a bit pasty, so it grind the way I want it to be. So grind your clove with the tiger nut. So you want to grind this until everything is well incorporated together. So if you're a lover of unboxing video, I did an unboxing of this grinder and other kitchen equipment, so go well to go and check that video. I'll be dropping the link at the description box below, and also as you're watching this video, the link will be popping as you're watching an order of my videos. So I'll be dropping some of my playlists, so please do well to go and watch my playlist, some sauce, some cake, and so many deliciousness. So do well to check the description box or click the link that I'll be showing as you're watching this video. So if you've never had Donkwa before, this video is for you. Like I said, Donkwa is so easy to make, very, very easy. And these are some of the ingredients that we see that we use day to day. So it's not like that the ingredients are, you have to go to far places to get it. These are ingredients that you see, that you eat often. So it is very easy to make. Just want to try to convince you to try this Donkwa recipe. So all the ingredients are well mixed together. So you want it to be not dry. So that's why I said your groundnut should be a bit pasty, because this is what is going to help you in molding your Donkwa. So ensure that your groundnut is pasty. Your groundnut should have been dry, because your groundnut is one of the most important ingredients in your Donkwa. So what you want to do is to gather this ingredient together and mold it together the way I'm doing, so that everything will combine properly. Mold it together, pick it up and squeeze it together so that it will form like a mold, or form a, what do they call it, just, you know what I'm talking about. And then you roll it over your hands to form a circle. So in some other recipe, you're going to see that they add groundnut oil in it, but in this I'm not adding groundnut oil, because when you add groundnut oil, this is going to make it look a bit moist. And this was where the whole Donkwa issue came about, because Donkwa was very popular before, like in the 90s or early 2000s, but it stopped becoming popular because we had like some lot of things. Some people coming with their theory, how it was made through this. I don't want to talk about what people are saying, but if you know the story of Donkwa, why it's not as popular as it used to be, or because people started coming up that, oh, people use this to make it, that's why it is like this, people use a particular item to make it, that's why it is like that. No, it was because they used groundnut oil. So the groundnut oil was to mold everything together, but here you do not need groundnut oil. I used groundnut oil in one of my recipe, and someone didn't like it because of the way it looks. So make sure that your groundnut is pasty, so that it will help you to combine everything together. This is very important, and you will not need groundnut oil to mix it up together. Just make sure that your groundnut is pasty, and it will combine everything together. Just make sure that you mold, once you're taking, just make sure you press it together. Ensure you press it so that every ingredient will combine together, and then when you roll it into a cycle or a ball, it will form properly. I hope you're enjoying this video. Do not forget to hit on the like button, comment below, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your post notification to get notified of when I drop new videos. My uploading days are Fridays and Sundays by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So you can check my short videos. So I do upload shorts like almost every day. Do well to watch my short videos as well. So just have like some quick recipes, some quick hacks, and some other things. But my uploading days are Friday 5:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So let's have a community together. I would love to always hear from you. So do well to comment below. So have you ever had Donkwa before? If you haven't, let me know at the comment section. And if you have, let me know at the comment section. What do you think about Donkwa? Is this something that you like or something that you don't like? So let me know. Like I said before, if you haven't tried Donkwa, this recipe is for you. So just go and make it yourself. You're gonna love it. And if you've tried Donkwa before and you love it, and you're just not skeptical about buying the ones you see in the market or see in the store, It is very easy to make. Like you've said, just try it and let me know at the comment section how the outcome was and how it turned out. Very, very delicious. So I didn't really have like a measurement to this. Like I just measured the tiger nut and the granite and the pepper. So everything is depending on how you want it to be. If you want it to be a bit spicy, add enough pepper. If you want it to be very sweet, you can add more sugar, but I'm not going with that. I didn't want it to be that sugary. I didn't want it to be that salty. So I just want everything to be mild. So whatever way you want to spice it sweet, so just go with it. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit on the like button, comment below, turn on your notification to get notified of when I drop new videos. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.